হাততালি। এবারে সোনাম রহমান দ্বিতীয় শ্রেণী। ইকবাল তুমি বসে যাও। সবাই বাচ্চারা খুশি তেমন সাজতে বলো সোনাম।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Sonam Rahman. I read in class 2. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Every year we celebrate Children's Day on 14 November, the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister of India. He loved children very much and used to call him Chacha Nehru, and should be loved and cared for properly. He always believed that children are the future of the nation and they should be loved and cared for properly. Let us all promise to be good students, respect our elders, make our country proud. Thank you everyone. Happy Children's Day.
ঠিক আছে, খুব সুন্দর, হাততালি।